in the hotel and check out the room, please. Space check out कीजिए. It's so beautiful, so nice, and it's got a big TV. It's got like रात को जब हमें भूख लगेगी और मैगी खाना पड़ेगा तो इधर ही हम बैठ के खाएंगे और दारू भी पिएंगे बहुत सारा. All the shots are going to happen there, and I am a person for toilets and I love it. It's so cute and cozy and sweet. और इधर हमारे लिए शैम्पूस भी रखे हुए हैं. Oh my god. आइए बेडरूम में. So this is our bedroom where मेरे साथ और कोई भी सोने वाला है. And this is the beautiful mirror. And यहाँ हम अपना मेकअप और हेयर की चीज़ें रखेंगे. अगर by the way, I did not say this, but this is what I'm wearing since morning. And finally, I have Pooja who's recording this. Yay! Okay, wait. Yeah! Oh my God, it's here! Thank you. दोनों अभी आने वाले हैं. So we're waiting for. Yeah, but by the time they come, we will eat because हमें बहुत भूख लग रही है. So that's it. Keep yourself tuned to Taylor Make Story. Yes. Just waiting for all of them to come together so I can show it to them. I hope I'm looking fine. पापड़ नहीं है क्या? मैंने कुछ चेंज कर ले. They are changing now. Come. ये लाइट तो डालो ना. Oh my God, so cute. My phone is there. Be safe, no? Oh my God. Wow, this is so cute. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Thank you. This is so cute. Oh my God. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. This is so cute. Thank you. So each of it has a note, and each of it has this band which is made crocheted with, by my mother. How sweet. Yeah. So all I've literally taken your favorite colors. Like bottle green is your favorite color. Yours is. You didn't know which is your favorite color. So I was like, चल पिंक दे देती हूँ मैं. राखी तुम्हारा ब्लैक तो हो नहीं पाया, बड़ा फनी लगता तो इसलिए I did a very beautiful. My mummy did a very beautiful. And you can make it tight also. So. Very nice. So emotional. Oh my God, why is everybody crying? I can't wait. Crying. Thank you. Okay, I can't wait to do that.
This is just the beginning. 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 This is just the beginning.
Oh my god, the cake is too good.
So hey guys, this is my birthday today. so finally we woke up early. I wake up early because ये है ही मेरा system. But उठ गए थे, breakfast भी खा लिया हमने, and now we are here just chilling. We are going to go to the pool. We are all going to wear purple. It is a purple day, and यही है, उठ गए. So day 2 and enjoy yourselves watching this vlog. The cake is here, given by my husband. This is the lovely decoration. For this lovely amazing cake. It is gorgeous. I love it. Thank you, baby.
And we can't wait to eat this cake because it's sent by Parikshit Jiju. He doesn't like calling him Jiju, but yeah, the cake is very, very, very cute. ऐसे फोटो सिलेक्ट किए जाते हैं और बिना फिल्टर के पोस्ट किए जाते हैं because निधि को फिल्टर्स की जरूरत नहीं है। ऐसे भी ब्यूटीफुल वो इसीलिए मैंने कहा
very nice.
वो ऐसे भी ब्यूटीफुल है, उसको फिल्टर्स की जरूरत नहीं है। As you can see, it's my birthday. It's your birthday. It's your birthday. I'm a fantasy. It's your birthday. It's my birthday. आगे नहीं आता है ना किसी को भी।
Oh my God, your cake is so nice.
This place on fire. Who's mine? Who's mine? There is you, baby. I'm a star. I'm a spend dollar. Ain't nobody down like me. Don't get around. You know what's up? Well, don't matter. Your problem don't matter. We gon' get dumb, 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 dumb.
So guys, I've reached and this is my favorite shack. And इधर जो pomfret मिलता है, Marine Shack, is just amazing. You guys can see the view. So this is actually the best birthday I can say because I didn't think I would come to Baga Beach, and this is my favorite place where I love to eat. So I'm so glad we did this, and I am the birthday girl today, and I am loving the fact कि coincidence में ही हो गया कि हम इधर आ गए and I get to eat my favorite food, and that's about it. So hey guys, I am birthday ready. Like you can see, I'm ready. And yes, in between we went for swimming. Couldn't put those videos and visuals and everything because that is very, very private and none of us would want you guys to see us like that. But I am ready. My birthday outfit.
Twirl. Awesome.
Okay. Now, hold on. 1, 2, 3, happy birthday! आज का दिन इधर ही समाप्त होता है. We've just come home and it's just 12 AM. मेरा birthday भी खत्म हो गया है, but we're so tired. So yesterday we went to Titli. Then after that we went to Thalassa and where I bought in my birthday, which was amazing. Music was killer. It was so nice and those dancers were just crazy. Like you've seen the videos. And today we just went. We wanted to go to Gunpowder, but it was shut. Then we went to Purple Martini. We ate yummy food and we were so dead. We were supposed to go to Bombay today. We were so dead. We were like, let's just go back home and sleep, and that's what we're gonna do. I will miss you. I will miss all of you. I don't know when are we going to see each other, but I hope soon.
I hope.
I hate to sleep with you again.
Oh my god.
Very soon. Pooja. Wow, too much information. I am going to see you guys really soon. All the best. Please, let's just be awesome and let's be happy. And please just say, please follow Taylor Stories. Please follow. Hi, this is Shani Muganani, and I would request you all to please follow, subscribe, like, and give lots of love. Give lots of love. Tune me to Taylor Stories. Okay, I had a really good time. Thank you so much. I enjoyed a lot and I'm going to miss you guys so much. I just wish a lot of luck happiness, and all the wrong things to become right really soon.
मैं भी आ रही हूँ. Love you.
Love you.
So hey guys, today is day 4 and we're all so dead, but we have refreshed because हमने बहुत सोया है. You can see my eyes is still like so tired and puffy, but today is our last day in Goa and in this beautiful villa too. And हम जा रहे St. Anthony's to have breakfast, and you're going to see the good view for the beach and everything. And this is my look. Oh my God, you know, I'm killing my looks day by day.
Definitely.
But yes, this is it. So चलो अभी मैं लेके जाती हूँ St. Anthony's जहाँ हम बहुत सारा खाना खाने वाले हैं.
Yay. Good morning, Neeti.
Good morning.
Enjoying the breakfast?
Look at my breakfast. It looks so amazing.
Oh.
Hi guys. So this is our villa that we were supposed to get, but because it was occupied, तो हमें नहीं मिला. But at least हमें last day पे मिल गया. So I need to show it to you. This is the hall, which is so beautiful. I love the sofas. Please excuse this part, but come, let me show you quickly. This is a beautiful suite that we have here. This is a 3 BHK wala villa. So this is the first room. See, this wooden staircase is like the best shit ever. So come up. So this is the second suite. This is the second room. So come inside. So when you have like lots of family members and want to stay in one place, this is it. This is the beautiful room, and it's so big, it's so huge. And the bathroom is the same as that one. But check out the room that I'm staying in. So come on, it's my favorite room. This is it. Okay. The birthday girl's room. And you have to just check out the washroom. Because it's got a... Come fast. Look at the huge jacuzzi. Please, camera person, please come here. Yeah, this is the huge washroom. It's amazing. And even if you've forgotten your soap and shampoo and conditioner, they provide you with everything. And this was the villa. And guys, if you're on a holiday, you should come here. Even if you're with your girlfriends, you should come here because it's the safest, it's best, it's central, everything is close by, and that's it. Okay, I hope you like the tour. So hey guys, we are here. We shifted to our suite like I showed you, and we're super tired, very tired. I'm taking games because we're going and sitting in the jacuzzi, and we're just going to be talking, chatting, catching up on life, and it's great guys. Spend time with your loved ones. It's very important. And आज के लिए बस इतना ही, and कल हम जा रहे हैं, and I'll show you the villa also properly. Tomorrow I'll show you everything nicely, and we can have a good conversation also tomorrow. So for today, day 3, that's it. Please take care and stay tuned and see more. So good morning, and please don't miss out this view because it's amazing. This is so pretty. So packing my bag, packing it, and we're leaving. That's it. So I'll be back when I'm in the cab. बेखयाली में भी तेरा ही ख्याल, क्यों बिछड़ना है जरूरी ये सवाल आए. So finally guys, boarding, and the gate is damn far, but this is it. All my palti with me. Nagu is here. Nagu. He's missed me so much. But guys, this is it. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this birthday vlog of mine, and also I want to say that thank you so much for all your lovely wishes, and you've taken out time to message, make posts,
make like so many reels, edits, everything. I just want to thank you all for so much love that you guys keep showering me. I'm so grateful and so blessed. Thank you guys so much for all the love, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm done now. Nugget and I need to spend some quality time, mama and son. Okay, bye guys.